So, yes, it was true. I'm a pulmonary critical care doctor, but mostly I was practicing critical care, so I think I'm eligible to hear. Even though it's been more than 5 years since I came back from US, so you have to forgive me if I forget what exactly is ventilatory waveforms and all these things. But I can tell you now, revenue per critical care doctor and all that I can tell you inside out now. So those kind of questions if you can ask me. Okay, welcome all. Thanks all the critical care faculty from all over the city, and I heard from the country also. Tomorrow people are joining, and multi-specialty team of our other specialty doctors coming in here, and most importantly, all of you come here. First of all, happy Doctors' Day. At least one day we have to remember for ourselves. And yes, you can give an applause for yourself. Because in the US and all, it's if you work 1 week, getting 1 week off plus 1 month vacation. So I'm working 5 months a year, so it was a little bit better. But I know Indian doctors working is too much. But all these day-to-day things, please don't forget the bigger things. Why you're in the medical field, you're like really saving patients, and there is nothing more satisfying than in the ICU. Though I mean, the most heart of the hospital is in the ICU. So I think it's other monetary benefits and all may not be too much, but the satisfaction of really treating a patient, all sick patients definitely go through ICU. So you're in a great field, at least satisfaction level should be higher. So, and coming to that, like nowadays things are evolving. Like I've been in US, like multiple